What's up, party people? Today we're gonna do a little how-to video on how to plug a tire. I bought a tire plug kit on Amazon, where else? And I'm gonna do a step-by-step guide because as you can see from my previous video, which I will link in the description down below, this happened last Sunday and I got a screw. If you come in over here, I got a screw in the tire right there. So we're gonna do a step-by-step guide on how to plug a tire. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna do a step-by-step guide with, just start over. Okay, so I have never done this before, so this is gonna be fun, but I got everything laid out and we're gonna tackle it one by one, each step. Here we go. So first step, we take out the screw. If it will, there goes the, okay, let's stop. All right, so I have never done this before, so here, start over. So I've never done this before, but we're just gonna do it. We're gonna go straight into it. Actually, that's too loud. So, I've never done this before, but we're just gonna get straight into it. So, step one, take out the screw. If I can get it out there. Oh, it is definitely harder than I thought. So it's a lot harder than I thought to get it out, but I'm almost got it. This is difficult. All right, stop that video. Okay. So it's a little bit more difficult than I thought, but we're almost there to get it out. Let me try to get a different angle here. I'm trying to get under the screw and in between the washer here to make it so it's a little bit easier to get out. Oh, it is really in there. Wow, it does not want to come out. There we go, I got a good grip on it. I had a good grip on it. These pliers are not very big, so. Oh, that's better. Twist it out. Oh, that's working. Huh. There we go, there we go. It's almost there. God, that is a, let's see how big it is. That's what she said. It's almost out. That technique works, gripping it from the center. I'm just twisting it. As you can see, it's hissing. And then Caitlin, come a little closer and I'll show you on the size of the nail. So there you go. So then real quick, we not hit the car. Oh, that's tough. All right, there we go. There we go, loosen it up. That is a lot harder than I thought. There we go. We have a tire compressor inside, so there. Loosen it up. Couple little lube. Losing a lot of air. There we go. So we're making good headway. That's disgusting. Again. Here we go. There we go. That's what we wanted. Try not to hit the car. Just in and out to make it flush. There we go. All right, take this, step 2 or 3, forget what we're on. Put it in. All right. Oh, that is tough to get in. Oh my gosh. Revamp here. Try to get it in. It's probably harder that the tire is pumped up a little bit. So we're actually gonna let it come down a little bit. As you can see, it's deflating, but let's see here. Yeah, it's a little easier. All right. Whew, this is, you guys make it look easy, AAA. All right, we're gonna let it come down a little bit more. Whew. All right, back at it. That is not wanting to land. Holy cow, how do they? All right, let's see here. All right, stop the video there. Nothing like trying to change a tire yourself, fail miserably, and then have to get it towed to the tire shop. Oh boy. All right, party people, I hope that was a little bit of a glimpse into how just chaotic something can go. I thought I was gonna be able to do it super fast, super easy, but absolutely not. Failed miserably. I hope that little bit of authenticity comes through. I don't know. I'm trying here, guys. I'm really trying. But to update you why I'm sitting in the car is back on the road. I am stoked. I actually got it towed over to America's Tire in Costa Mesa. They were phenomenal. I could not thank them enough. They closed at 6. I didn't get out of there till 6:30, 6:40. They patched up the tire. They did it. They did their work. They are absolutely phenomenal. America's Tire off Bristol in Costa Mesa. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm actually going to leave them a Yelp review and a Google review in time being. I'm back on the road. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got a good laugh on my own stupidity because I had no idea what I was doing. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Woo!